Today's hair tutorial is going to be how to do a backless, slickless hairstyle. Now, Bone Thugs and Harmony said it best when they said bone, 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 bone. Now, I'm just going to jump right into the hair tutorial. This hairstyle here is another quick hairstyle that y'all can do. And the only thing you need for this hairstyle is a comb. You don't need anything else. Now, I've already done the backless, slickless hairstyle on the right side of my hair. So y'all can see how my 2 scoops went backless. Can y'all see that? Mm, mm, mm. But I'm going to show y'all how to do it on the left side of my hair. Now, you want to take your comb. Don't comb it all the way through your 2 scoops. Just barely comb it back, okay? Because it has to go backless, okay? Y'all see how I'm combing it? Now, I'm actually right-handed, but I'm actually combing it backless better with my left hand, okay? Y'all see that? See how it looks? Mm, 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 mm. And now y'all know how to do the backless, slickless hairstyle.